that your close neighbor that is in the same compound with you, try to be friend with that person. You see, God never created anybody different. You see, God made man in his own image, according to his own likeness. We are all created in the image of God and the likeness of God. So God did not discriminate that this person will be this or this person will be that. So that is why, by the grace of God, the free 29 free schools, which OPM opened. We don't say you're a Muslim, sorry, don't come. All our free schools are for both Muslim and Christian in the Zik spirit. The Zik spirit. Both Muslims and Christians attend OPM free school. Then the free hospitals we have, both Muslims and Christians attend the hospital. We don't discriminate whether you're a Muslim, whether you come from the north or you come from the south. Everybody come to the hospital. The overseas scholarship, both whether Muslim, whether a Christian, whether I come from the north, come from the south, everybody attends. So we don't discriminate.
Okay, with this, an individual or an institution is doing this in this nation, why is it that it's difficult for the government or politicians to do same with the Nigerian resources?
No, I think politicians, they do it. They only come up with this when, during the election, like what the speaker was saying, during the election, they know that this person is a Muslim, this person come from north, they come from south. But when they want to do whatever they want to do, they don't look at it. So I believe that the only way we can move forward is, if you go to America, America is so big. America is like a continent, diverse, and they don't discriminate. And that's why they make progress. So if we can just come together and agree, we'll move forward. I just came into the country yesterday. I've been out of the country, so I don't know their reason. But I don't know the reason of going for strike. But this, like former NEPA, off and on house. I will go on strike today. Tomorrow you won't go on strike again. Next week I'll go on strike. So I don't understand. So I don't even know what's going on. I just came into the country. So.
But for you, what should be the way forward in order to make a better country?
Unity and love.
Then,
love.
One of the speakers talked about how to utilize and celebrate Zik better. What other ways you can celebrate Zik?
I think history needs to be taught. That history they removed from our curriculum from school. People need to learn more about Zik patience, about Zik tolerance and acceptability. So, whatever brought the idea of removing history from our schools is thought of wickedness. Yes. So you need to return back history to our schools.